There was a Rundle station master, and Beazeley of the rail, and Achman commissariat, and Donkin of the jail, and Blake conductor sergeant, our master twice was he, with him that kept the Europe shop, old Framjee Eduljee. Outside, sergeant, sir, salute, slam. Inside, brother, and it doesn't do no harm. We meet upon the level and we parted on the square, and I was junior deacon in my mother lodge out there. There was Bolanath, accountant, and Saul the Aden Jew, and Din Mohammed, draughtsman of the Sursey office too. There was Babu Shikakariti and Amir Singh the Sikh, and Castro of the Fitton Sheds, a Roman Catholic. We hadn't good regalia, and our lodge was old and bare, but we knew the ancient landmarks, and we kept them to a hair. And looking on it backwards, it often strikes me thus: there ain't such things as Ethan now, except perhaps it's us. For monthly after labor, we'd all sit down and smoke. We dursn't give no banquets, lest a brother's caste were broke. And man on man got bookin', religion and the rest, and every man comparin' of the God he knowed the best. So man on man got started, and not a beggar stirred, till mornin' wake the parrots and that damn brain fever bird. We'd say it was very curious, and we'd all go home to bed, with Mohammed, God and Shira changing pickets in our head. Full out of government service, this wandering foot hath pressed, and bore fraternal greetings to the lodges east and west, according as commanded from Coat to Singapore. But I wish that I might see them in my mother lodge once more. I wish that I might see them, my brethren white and brown, with the burley smelling pleasant and the Agden passing down, and the old conson a-snoring on the bottle corner floor, like a brother in good standing with my mother lodge once more. Outside, sergeant, sir, salute, slam. Inside, brother, and it doesn't do no harm. We meet upon the level and we parted on the square, and I was junior deacon in my mother lodge out there.